In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a floor plan in Excel like CAD. We're going to use a simple formatting trick in Excel to turn the worksheet into a grid that works like a basic drawing space. This is a great way to map out a room layout, sketch walls, or build a simple floor plan without needing specialized design software. Start by opening your Excel workbook and then go to the Floor Plan tab at the bottom of the window. This is the sheet where you'll build your layout, so make sure you're on the correct tab before changing any formatting. If your workbook already has multiple sheets, it helps to confirm you're editing the right one, so your floor plan stays organized. Next, highlight the columns you want to use for the drawing area. You can select a small section if you're making a compact layout or a wider range if you want more space to work with. The goal here is to create a square style grid that will behave more like graph paper. Once those columns are highlighted, right-click on one of the selected column headers and choose Column Width. A small dialog box will appear, and this is where you'll adjust the size of the cells. Change the value to 1 so the columns shrink down. This creates narrow cells and starts giving the sheet a tiled appearance that's much better for drawing. At this point, each tile will represent 1 foot. That makes it easier to plan dimensions visually and keep your layout consistent as you build out the space. Using a fixed scale like this is especially helpful if you want your floor plan to stay neat and proportional. Now do the same thing for the rows. Highlight the rows you want to use, right-click, and choose Row Height. This time, instead of entering 1, change the value to 9. That adjustment makes the row height line up more closely with the narrow column width, helping the cells appear more square on screen. That's what gives you the CAD-like grid effect inside Excel. Once your grid is set up, go to the Home tab at the top. From there, add borders to begin drawing your floor plan. Borders are what turn the cells into visible wall lines, so this is where the actual layout starts to take shape. As you draw, work carefully and use the grid to keep your spacing clean and consistent. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.